this inflation, hey God, is really eating deep into Nigeria economy. Even the rich are really feeling it in this period, in these times that we have. Do you think that you can hide away from inflation? Do you think that you can run away from inflation? In this video, you'll be hearing all the details I have for you on how you can protect yourself against inflation in this current period. Number one strategy you can use to protect yourself against inflation is to invest in virgin land. Yes, invest in virgin land, because no matter how inflation eats deep into a country's economy, land or real estate will never depreciate. It continues to increase in value. So you should take this opportunity right now to take that money you're keeping in the bank, because keeping your money in the bank will do you no good in this current period. You know what the price of cement is saying right now? So if you're thinking, oh, something is selling for 1,000 naira, by the time you go back to the market, that thing costs more. So there's no need keeping your money in the bank. Buy virgin land in the next growing city, here in the city of Lagos, Nigeria. Your property will be worth more in value. Number two strategy you can do to protect yourself against inflation right now in Nigeria is to do land buyback scheme. Now, what this means is that you give your money to a developing company to invest in land, trade in land for you, and at the end of the day will return your money back to you, your capital you use in investing that land, with an interest at the end of the day. Now, most buyback schemes here in Lagos, Nigeria have 6 months. If you're investing in 6 months, you'll be getting a 25% profit back plus your capital. If you're doing a 10-month buyback scheme, you'll be getting 40% interest back at the end of 10 months. If you're doing 12 a month, you'll be getting 50% interest back at the end of 12 months. So this is a very strategic way to protect your fund from inflation. Instead of keeping the money in the bank, I mean, the bank will not give you such interest at the end of 6 months. No way. There's no bank that is going to give you this 25%, 40%, 50%. So what you need to do is, instead of keeping your money in the bank, letting it just stay there, make your money work for you by investing in land banking buyback scheme, and at the end of the day you'll be getting your money back with an interest. Number three strategy you can deploy into protecting yourself from inflation is to buy an already built house and rent it out. Now, this can be a source of wealth generating asset for you as an investor. Just as inflation is making everything rise in the economy, the costs of rentage will also rise. This is why you should consider buying an already built house and use it as a source of rent. People nowadays love short-let apartments to hotels. They want a place that feels like home, that they can go for like 2 days, 2 weeks. I mean, the cost of renting a short-let apartment per day can range from 80,000 to 100,000 naira per day. So what you need to do is to take hold of these three strategies I have just given to you and start protecting yourself against inflation. And trust me, you will definitely be glad that you did. If this video has been very informative and insightful to you as a smart investor, you want to click that subscribe button, like this video, and share this video with your loved ones. Yes, don't be the only one to have this information I just shared. Share with all your loved ones so that they also can take the steps to protecting themselves against inflation in this current season. Thank you so much for staying tuned to this video. Thank you so much for being a part of my community. Thank you so much for staying tuned to this video. My name, if you're seeing me for the first time, is Arikaya, a real estate consultant here in the city of Lagos State, Nigeria, bringing you verified properties and also insightful knowledge when it comes to investing in Lagos State, Nigeria. You can call me on the numbers on your screen. Let me help you get started on your real estate journey here in Lagos, Nigeria, and you will definitely be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.